up, you guys? It's your girl Victoria, and I'm back with another video. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Press that bell button if you'd like to see more videos, and let's get into the video. So you guys, today I'm giving you this look that I created. I'm really here for it because I don't never do stuff like this. Like, I never do looks like this with no glitter or nothing like that, but I really kind of got out of my box and comfort of what I usually do to try something new for you guys. So yeah, let's get into that. So you guys, I'm going to go on with the Fierce by Nature Morphe palette. I love this palette. I'm going to take this lighter orange and this blending brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to put that in my crease for my transition shade. Now I'm going to go in with both of these browns and a smaller eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to blend that in really on my crease. That's really where I want to focus it on. So to make sure I don't lose my transition shade, I'm just going to go back in with the same brush that I used to put that down. And I'm just going to apply some more eyeshadow on top of the brown that I just put. Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe M421 brush, and I'm just going to cut my crease with this. This is a smaller one. A lot of people use the bigger one, but I really think the smaller one is very precise and it gets exactly what you need done. I'm also cutting my crease with the Stay Matte Concealer from Rimmel London in the color 340. So now I'm about to set that concealer with a lighter shade in the Morphe palette, and I'm just going to pat that all over the cut crease. So I want to lay down a lighter shadow before I put my glitter down, and I'm going to use the Morphe Fix Plus spray to spray my brush. And the brush that I'm using to put that lighter shade down is the Morphe 432 brush. And I'm going to use that in a white color to define my crease a little bit more so that when I put my glitter down, it'll be really light. So you guys, I'm having the hardest time trying to put this eyeshadow on my crease, y'all. But I'm going to fix it when I put the eyelash glue on my crease to put the glitter down, because it's going to define the crease even more. And also I'm going in with just regular eyelash glue by the company Kiss. So the glitter that I'm using is that NYX glitter, and I'm just going to pat that where I'll put the eyelash glue at, and then it's just going to come out looking so cute. So now I'm going in with a more brighter orange to blend out my cut crease, only because I'm going to have on 25 mm's, and those lashes are pretty big and thick, and I want you guys to see the actual color behind the lashes. Now I'm going to use the LA Color eyeliner in the color black. And this is liquid, you guys, of course. I love it. And I'm just going to do my wing liner. So you guys, one day I have a perfect shade, the next day I don't have a perfect shade. I don't have time for that, so I'm just going to use all three. So I just went in with the Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. Now I'm going in with Too Faced in the color Chestnut. And now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place. And I'm going to leave that color below because I don't know it off the top of my head. The brush that I'm using to blend out my foundation is the Real Techniques 200 brush. Now I'm going back in with that Stay Matte Rimmel London concealer, and I'm just going to put that concealer all over my T-zone. I just won't do my forehead. Now I'm going in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. You guys, I am in love. Nobody is ever going to change my mind. And to put that down, I'm going to use the Miracle Powder Beauty Blender by Real Techniques. It's new. I just bought it and it was cheap. It was like $2. And I'm just going to put that powder everywhere that I put that concealer. So if you're a real Victoria Leon fan, then you know that I always take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics and contour my face with the reds. I don't know. I just never found a good like contour. It's always like an ashy brown or something, and I don't like that. So I like to use the reds. It kind of warms my face up. So I added a new step into my foundation routine, and I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Setting Powder. And y'all, after I did this, like, I used to have problems with like flashback. I have no problems with flashback now, and I'm going to put a picture in so you guys can see what I mean. So now I'm going in with the PYT Beauty Full Filled Lip Gloss. It's supposed to be a plumping gloss, and it's in the color Influence. I love this company, you guys. Go check them out. I'm going to leave all their information below so that you guys can go and purchase this lip gloss. I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Apricot in Act, and it comes with a blush side and a highlighter side, and I'm going to use their highlighter today. With the brush, let me see, Real Techniques 428 brush. favorite mascara of all time. I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex. And I'm just going to put that on my bottom lashes. You guys, I really love this look. I love the way it came out. You guys, if you want to see more looks, let me know below. I'll definitely get them done. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video.